Good morning, everyone. It's already 5:28 in the morning. This is your host. Nakagising na si host. Yay! 5:28 in the morning of Monday, October 14. Mega love shout out to everyone, especially sa mga kaibigan ko dyan. 6 million viewers. Mega love shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for the support to the host. I really appreciate all your support, and I wish you a happy and blessed morning. It is the start of the week, so let's think positive. Positive mindset lang po lahat para mag-uumpisa ang ating linggo ng masaya. All right. Good morning. I just wanna shout out Sheho Vlogger. Thank you so much. Team Strawberry, mabuhay. Mr. Madayag, thank you so much. Tita Itnugak Mix TV. Tita Itnugak Mix TV. Ang taga Abra na very supportive na tita at magandang tita. Salamat, Tito June MTVs. Maraming salamat sa iyo. I Connect Insights and Beyond. Thank you so much, Ma'am Pita. Good morning to you. Kahit busy si Ma'am, nandyan pa rin na sumusuporta kay host. Thank you so much. Ate Leti B, salamat sa iyong tusok, kapatid, kabsat. Thank you so much. Ate Leti B, Sniper na Elmer. Mas pinaka-live yan si Kuya Elmer. Hindi rin nagsasawang o hindi rin nakakaligtaan magtusok sa aking live stream. Morainon living in Norway. Hi, Morainon living in Norway. Thank you so much sa pagpunta sa Abra. Waraynon, kapatid na Waraynon. Thank you so much. At sa lahat na nagpunta sa aking live stream kagabi, binabati ko kayo ng magandang umaga. Alright, thank you so much again. Akshaya family, Deco Dream, Itnugak Mix TV, Tito June MTV, I Connect Insights and Beyond. Salamat sa pagpunta sa aking live stream at sa pag-support. Thank you so much. Hindi kayo nakakalimutan